In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide table borders in OneNote. This is a great way to give your notes a cleaner, more modern look, especially if you prefer a layout that feels less like a grid and more like free-flowing content. To get started, open Microsoft OneNote and navigate to the page that contains the table you want to adjust. Once you're on the correct page, click anywhere inside the table. This step is important because it activates the table formatting options, allowing you to make changes to its appearance. After placing your cursor inside the table, move your attention to the top of the screen. Depending on your version of OneNote, you'll either see a dedicated table tab or a set of contextual options related to tables. Within this area, look for the settings that control borders. Next, select the portion of the table you want to modify. You can either highlight specific cells or select the entire table if you want all borders removed. Once your selection is ready, locate the Borders option in the menu. Click on it and then choose the setting that removes borders. As soon as you apply this, the lines around your cells will disappear, giving your table a smooth, borderless appearance. If your version of OneNote doesn't display a clear option to remove borders, there's an alternative method you can use. Instead of removing the borders directly, you can change their color to match the background of your page, which is typically white. This creates the illusion that the borders are gone while still keeping the table structure intact. Even though the borders are no longer visible, the table itself remains fully functional. You can still click into each cell, edit your content, and organize your information as needed. The structure is still there, just without the visual lines. This approach is especially helpful when you want your notes to look more polished, or when you're designing content that needs a softer, less rigid layout. It's also useful for presentations or shared notes where visual clarity matters. If you decide later that you want the borders back, simply select the table again, return to the same border settings, and choose a visible border style. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to hide table borders in OneNote. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.